Hello, it's Luke, and today I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 5 session, which includes the headband, a mount, and the SanDisk micro SD card for 16 gigabytes. So let's get right into it. So to open it, you need to rip the seal off the bottom. Just like that. Which then opens the box so I can get inside. So then pull this out. And the entire thing just comes out. See, this box is empty. There's just that plastic on the edge. So here's the GoPro right here. So here's the inside of the box. The GoPro. So it says, pull this up. You know what? Here, I'll cut to when I figure it out. Well, I can't figure that out, but let's just open the back and see if it comes out later. So here's 2 GoPro stickers and a wheel break it, wheel replace logo, and some instructions. Then you have a packet of safety, something more, and we get the accessories. So right here is a USB-C cable for charging and plugging into stuff. Here are 2 mounts with adhesive to the back so you can stick them on stuff. This one's a square and this one's curved on the edges. Here is a headband. I'm not quite sure what this one is for. Oh, it looks like you can put it on like a belt or something. And then here, oh, then it comes with an adapter too. Here's the micro SD card with an SD card adapter. Is there anything else? I think that's all. Now, I need to try to figure out how to get this off. Okay, I figured it out. So what you need to do is push those in, and you can slide it out. I wasn't quite sure with the direction. So here's the GoPro. It's heavier than I expected, but that's fine. And it has the screen is on already on the top. Probably can't see it in the glare. It says language English. Here's the screen, and here's the mount. So, well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later in another video. Goodbye.